Here are all the parts and instructions that will be needed to install your patio door handle. First, take the thumb latch and pull the protective cover off of the spindle on the back. Next, take one of the C-shaped handles and attach these two pieces together. Continue the same process with the key lock and the C-shaped handle. To ensure the thumb latch operates correctly, place it to its inside position of the door panel and twist lock to see if the latching mechanism comes through the side of the panel. Next, take the outside handle and place it in its position on the door panel. Make sure that it connects with the inside handle. Try the key. If the key won't come out, take the outside handle out of the door, turn it 90 degrees, put it back in at 90-degree position until it's connected to the inside handle. Now rotate the outside handle back to the vertical position and try the key again. Once it is operating, take the two small white plugs and place them in the outside handle. Next, take the two long screws and insert them into the two last holes on the inside handle, making sure that you are holding the corresponding white plug on the front handle. You have now completed the door handle assembly, but there is one last item to perform. Look directly across from the handle and you will see what is called the keeper. It's what the door lock latches onto for security. There are two screws in the keeper, but these are just for shipping purposes. Remove these screws and replace them with the two screws that are left. You have now completed the installation of the handle on your new patio door.